Hey, what's up? So, this is just going to be a quick video about the types of AI programs that I use while I'm editing. And yeah, let's go. So, for AI clips, I personally prefer using GetMunch, Video AI, and as well as Opus Clips. These three AI software covers are pretty solid. They will quickly get any long format video you have and boil it down into a shorter clip. You can also use these programs to create captions and also turn it from a landscape video to a portrait video. Of course, with all these things, you have to look and see if the AI is actually doing it correctly, but it's pretty solid. Most of these are pretty solid, and just after a few tweaks, you're pretty much all set. So for quick and easy captions, I'll mostly use CapCut, but I've also heard of things like Caption App that some people use that can help. And yeah, they're pretty nice. They help a lot. So for distribution of content, we have AI tools like Megaphone as well as ChatGPT. I personally don't really have as much experience with Megaphone as I do with ChatGPT, but I've heard good things from both of them. I hear that both of them can really help you optimize your time and just really condense the things that you do every time you post into a smaller and more faster process. I know for me personally, ChatGPT has helped me make captions, descriptions, tags. It can help you with a lot with distribution. It can help you with hashtags. So yeah, there's a lot there. For organizing your time, we have things like Mem AI as well as Notion. I haven't really been able to use these ones yet, but I've heard that these two are pretty good for time management and just organizing your work into one space, just so that you have one hub to go back to for all of your work. All right, so now it's time for the fun stuff. For Art AI, we have reface.ai/unboring, which is pretty much a face swapping app you can use on your PC. There's Runway ML, which is an AI tool that can be used to make videos. It can also be used for images. It can be used for expanding images infinitely, just using AI. It can reimagine images. You can train your own models. And one thing that really shocked me was that you can erase things from videos. I've seen this in Photoshop, but I haven't seen it in video format. You can put any video into slow motion. You can make images move. You can remove anything from the background and just solo out the subject. And this is great for green screens. So yeah, check this one out. Up next, we have AI Art 2.0, also called DALL-E, which is a AI art app that uses prompts that you give it in order to create custom images. There's been a lot of really cool things made with this, and I really recommend checking this out if you have the money to. Besides this, there are also other AI art apps that you can use for free, like Diffusion Bee. However, Diffusion Bee is only available on Apple as of right now in 2023. That might change in the future, but just letting you know. AI mixers are also just a Google search away. I found one called CryoMix just after one Google search, and this just allows me to really easily mix and master music using AI. I also found another website for AI called Easy with AI that offers image mixing. I'd also recommend qrcraft.xyz because it allows you to get any QR code that you like and mix it with any image that you like. So it creates these really cool designs that you can use to further your pitch if it's in sales, or just make your QR code pop out to other people. All right, so now time for the most fun AI tool, in my opinion, AI voice covers for music. First, what you're going to want to need is a program called RVC GUI. I'm going to have that in the description. I'm also going to have ClipGrab in the description, which just pretty much lets you download YouTube videos. And you're going to want to have access to YouTube and some sort of song library like Spotify just to look around. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to find a YouTube video that you like, that you'd want to hear an AI song cover of. So I'm going to do Love by Kid Cudi. Right now I have the video. I'm going to go right click this, clip grab is going to automatically discover that I just copied something. I'm going to let it bring it to its paste bin, and then I'm going to download. I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to put love, and then I'm going to open it and save. Cool. And now that that's all done, we're going to go to vocalremover.org, and we're going to go to this download. It's in the file called love. So let me find that. Love right there. And click and drag over to this. Let this split up. So once the audio is actually split up into music and vocals, we're going to download the vocals as a WAV. We're going to put it in the same spot that we have the original song. So we're going to put it in the love file. Then we're going to download the music. We're going to download it as an MP3 in the same file. Once both of those downloads are done, you should have them right here in the love file. And now you can open up RVC GUI, go all the way down to this part right here where it says RVC-GUI. I'm going to double click right there. It's going to run some Python script. And it's going to open up this right here. Okay, so now that you have the vocals and the music downloaded, now you just need a model to actually use. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on to Discord, and we're going to look around for a AI Discord server. There's this one called AI Hub. I've been using it a lot. It's pretty good. It's decent. And it allows you to look at all these different models, and it really gives you a good view on the type of stuff you can create with this. All these models are just a download link away, and once you download them, they should show up as a .zip. And once you have it, you can just click and drag it into this RVC-GUI folder. Then once the model is downloaded and actually put into the RVC-GUI folder, you can import the model from zip just by clicking here and then double clicking on the name of the model. Okay, so you're all set to actually use this. So you have the model imported from zip, you have the vocals, and now all you really need to do is just bring in the desired vocals, which is Kanye. I'd want to use Kanye for this. I just want to make Kanye sing Love by Kid Cudi. So I'm going to bring that in right here. Then I'm going to put it on Harvest for the F0 method. Don't ask why, that's just what I was told. I was just told it works the best, and I agree. And I'm not going to mess with the pitch. I'm not going to mess with the retrieval rate. So I'm just going to hit convert, and then I'm just going to wait. Just some tips for anyone who wants to do this more than once. I personally prefer making a folder with all of the song names within it, so then it just gives me some more organization. It allows me to get all the folders for one project and keep it all in one spot, and keeps the whole process really clean for me. What I'm going to do now while I'm actually waiting for this to load is I'm going to look for a photo of Kanye West and Kid Cudi. What the fuck is up with this guy's face? Yo, hold on, pause. I'm pausing this whole tutorial. What the fuck is up with this guy's face? Anyways, we're gonna be using this photo right here, and I'm just gonna click and drag into this love folder. Then I'm gonna start a new project in Premiere. Alright, so now that we have our Premiere file open, we're going to first put in the photo that we want to use for the video, so then the aspect ratio is locked in correctly. And then after that, we're going to put in the AI vocals, which you can always tell if it's AI vocals because it'll say RVC after the name of the file. And then after that, we're just going to put in our music. We're going to put them all on top of each other, just layer it like this, and then you're all set. So if you found any of this helpful or just feel like supporting me, I got Patreon, I got my YouTube, I got my Instagram. I love editing. I love being able to do video editing and video production full time, but I cannot do this without the support of you guys, and I appreciate and love every single one of you guys. You guys are fucking awesome. I'm so unbelievably grateful that I am able to do this. It's awesome. It's just awesome. I can't even put it into words. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Peace.